Muting your own mic while in a party chat on PS4 and PS4 Pro is easy. From your home screen, press up on your controller to navigate up to the function area. Scroll to party and press X on your controller. If multiple parties are available, select the one that you're currently active in. Otherwise, the system will automatically take you to the party. From here, navigate left. Select your name and press X. Select mute microphone and press X. Now, whichever microphone you're using is muted, as indicated by the slash across the mic icon.